You ready to make it?
Yeah.
Alright, here. Dump this. It's already melting. Do not touch. Okay, scoop it in. Here. There you go. Okay, good job. You want to lick the spoon?
Yeah.
Lick it, hurry up. Hurry up. Uh-oh. Hurry up. Okay, like that. This is 3 cups of flour. Alright, we're back to it. I'm gonna open this up. Kind of sucks that I'm... Okay, here, hold it. Dump it. 1. Good job. 2. 1 more, okay? Honestly, I think I'm making too... It says 3 cups of flour with 2 quarts of ice cream. I honestly think I did more than enough. Okay, so buddy, we're gonna have... Don't do that. What are you doing? Buddy, we're gonna have to mix it. You wanna mix it?
Yeah.
Mix it. Here. You don't really have a strong grip. Mix it good. Here. Here. Let me show you. Wait. Wait, Elias. I gotta get it started for you, okay?
No, Auntie.
You wanna do it? Okay. Okay. You gotta... Oh. I think I have too much flour. Gotta mix it good, okay? So it's supposed to make like this thick substance. It's looking pretty good actually. Just gotta mix it even more. I wish I had like a mixing machine, but I don't get that privilege. I mean, I could have got one, but being at Walmart, you already spend so much already as is. So, good job, buddy. And then after we're done mixing it, we gotta dump it in this pan here. But you're doing a good job. Look how good job. Look at the progress he's doing. Good job, buddy. We picked Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Now on TikTok it said that you can use whatever ice cream you want as long as you kind of follow the instructions. Good job. Here, buddy, let me help you out.
No, I'm happy.
I know. No, well, I gotta help you out. Remember, you gotta get all the flour. Don't move that, please, because that's where we're gonna dump it. Okay? Don't. It's chocolate. Look how that is. Thank you, Elias, for helping. Yep. Good job, buddy. So we're gonna preheat the oven for 350. And then while that's preheating, we're gonna go back over here into it a little. See, that's the one thing I forgot to get is a spatula. I mean, this is a spatula. Oh, he found the Doritos. You found the Doritos?
Yeah.
Hold up, buddy. Hold up. So it is 3:50 already. And hold up. An hour and 10 minutes. So we'll be back to check it. I'm gonna test it. It's really good. It's really good. This is what it looks like. Not bad. I mean, I don't think I could have done better is butter on the bottom, but I mean, yeah, they ain't going nowhere. Chocolate fudge. Bread brownie. It's pretty good. If you guys like my vlog or short vlog, whatever, stay tuned for more. I enjoyed making this, especially with my son. And yeah, stay tuned for more of these videos if you guys like it.